What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. You guys have spoken, so we are making some shrimp tacos tonight. Got some really good ingredients, and actually the first thing I'm gonna bring you guys inside. We're gonna make the sauce for the shrimp and the coleslaw that is going on this shrimp. Yeah, I mean, it's a really simple meal. It's gonna be a real quick cook. So yeah, let's just check out these sauces real quick. Got the griddle warming up already, and we're gonna jump on it. So this right here is the coleslaw. Stuff tastes really good. Now we used Greek yogurt. You can thin up the sauce by using regular yogurt, but we preferred it to be thick, so that's how we did it. And yeah, I mean, real simple to make, real easy. And then this is the sauce for the shrimp, that olive oil, and I forgot to put in the video, but I did add salt and pepper, just to taste. I mean, not much at all. But yeah, that's all that is. Now let's get going. Got the griddle up to 350 right now. These two burners are on low. This one's off, this one is low. So we're gonna put a little bit of oil down right here. Mix in some butter. With that, this is how I like to cook my shrimp. This is how I like to start it off, with a little oil, a little butter, get it all coated nice and good and started cooking, and then I add the sauce to finish cooking them. All right, that ought to be good. Throw the shrimp in here. This is 1 pound of tail off, deveined, all that good stuff. So let's just dump this on here. So I got it started now. Now I'm gonna cover it for about a minute or so and just let it, I want it to start cooking for sure before I put the sauce on. And yeah, I'll bring you back in before I do that. So I gotta get going on the shells. I almost forgot, I don't know how. So I'm gonna just get a little fry action going on mine. Don't worry about cross-contamination. My griddle and spatulas are over 200 degrees, so we're good. Gonna just throw these down real quick. Just gonna throw 2 of them down. That ought to be good for now. And you know what? Let's. Ooh. Ooh. All right, so we got the shrimp all dialed in. I'm gonna cover them back up for just a hot second. Let's get these things hot. You know what, I'm gonna just take them, boom, then we're done. Now we're just waiting on the shrimp and we're about to dish it up. Shrimpy is done. Let's get this stuff out of here. We're going classy paper plate. Oh, baby. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, I can't believe that. I just lost one. All right, I'm gonna clean up a little bit. I'm gonna get this stuff ready to put together. It's about to go down. So here we go, guys. These are some phenomenal shrimp tacos. Now you can do this with corn tortillas, tostadas, flour, whatever you want. This is what we had in the house, so that's what we used. My wife wanted to do the tostada. She said I can't bite it, but I could have it in the picture. So let's dive into one of these bad boys. Ooh, baby. Look at that. So creamy from that coleslaw. That shrimp is perfect. So easy to cook shrimp on the griddle. I love doing it. Got a real little kick from that cayenne pepper. Not much because we didn't put much in there, only I think the thing said a pinch, but I probably did like a quarter of a teaspoon. The crunchiness from that coleslaw. I prefer, when I make coleslaw, either you have 2 days to eat it, otherwise it just gets too mushy. I don't like that, so that stuff will be gone tomorrow, for sure. Well, that's all I got, guys. Appreciate you coming along. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up for me if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you wanted me to cook. And see you on the next one. Thanks.